If you've ever started a woodworking project only to realize halfway through that you're missing key measurements or instructions, you're not alone. Finding reliable, beginner-friendly plans that make sense can be a serious challenge. That's why having a huge, well-organized library of clear, step-by-step plans can completely change the game. And recently, I stumbled on something that does exactly that. Ted's massive collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. It's like the holy grail for woodworkers, whether you're just starting out or looking to tackle more advanced builds. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. If you're shopping for your first track saw, there are a few key features that can make all the difference between a frustrating experience and a smooth, precision-cutting dream. First, look for a powerful motor. Around 9 to 12 amps is ideal, to ensure it can handle a variety of materials like plywood, hardwood, or MDF without bogging down. Variable speed control is another great feature, allowing you to adjust the blade speed based on the material you're cutting. Be sure the saw offers a smooth plunge mechanism and depth adjustment with a clear scale for accuracy. You'll also want to check the bevel range and ensure it has positive stops at common angles like 45 degrees and 90 degrees for added versatility in your projects. Another crucial aspect to consider is the track system itself. A high-quality, non-slip track ensures straight, clean cuts and reduces the risk of tear-out, especially on delicate surfaces. Look for anti-splinter edges and rubber grip strips on the track. Dust collection is often overlooked, but super important. Make sure the saw has an effective dust port that works with your shop vac to keep your work area clean and safe. Lastly, don't forget about compatibility. Some brands have proprietary tracks, while others offer more universal options. The right combination of features can turn your first track saw into a game changer for your DIY or pro woodworking setup. Oh, and before I forget, if you want instant access to 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans with easy-to-follow instructions, diagrams, and photos, no fancy tools required. Don't miss Ted's video. The link's waiting for you in the description.